Hi friends, welcome to our channel Civil Estimation. Today we are going to discussing about the manpower productivities for the various miscellaneous items. In previous videos we have discussed about all the productivities from earthwork, concrete, formwork, reinforcing steel, waterproofing, structural steel, grouting works, masonry, plastering, roofing and side cladding, sheet finishes, floor finishes, wall finishes, painting works like that we have discussed. Now any miscellaneous items is there that we will discuss in detail now. That is cable protection tiles, that is for the electrical cable trenches. Four helpers can do 15 square meters. That means to do 1 square meter, 0.4 man day of helper is required. This is the man day rate, and this is the total amount. Total amount divided by quantity is the unit rate. Here, this is the BOQ quantity. You can change whatever the quantity is required. It is 100, 200, 300, 400 as per the BOQ quantity. This productivity is this much. This is the ideal manpower productivity. Ideal manpower productivity for these numbers, this much productivity will give. Then multiplied by with the this overall project productivity factor. This we need to calculate for each and every project separately. This explanation we have given in our first video, manpower productivity earthwork video. You must see that video, then only you can get all the idea about this productivity factor, how to arrive that one. Then see here, like this, it is linked to the productivity only. Based on that, with this productivity, we need to do 100 square meters of the cable protection tiles with a 15 square meters of 4 persons can do. That means it is coming 41 man days required. Man day rate into these are the rates, per day rates. Your currency is AED per dirham. AED means Arab Emirate dirham. Then the total amount, this is the skilled and unskilled. Total amount divided by the quantity, we will get the unit rate. So you change it to 1. Unit rate is same. Then similarly, warning tape. Two helpers can do 700 meters in a day. So rate is 0.33 per meter. Then cable route marker post. Then RCC pipe 300 mm dia, 2 meter deep. RCC pipe 3 to 6 mm dia, 2 meter deep. These are the productivities. Mason helper 12 meter. Anyway, you can have now you may have doubt. How without equipment this manpower will do. Manpower equipment is separate, that we can study separately. This is only for the while doing by the equipment, the supporting manpower. This is the one. Then PVC pipes, so 162 to 50 mm up to 3 meter deep. This is the rate. Polypropylene pipes, cast iron and GI pipe, and PVC valves like that. Then interlocking tiles, paving blocks, including all underlayers like sand bed, so base course, sub base course, everything 1 square meter. One mason and one helper can do 6 square meters. So that means 42.31 per square meter. Paving blocks only tile laying. Only tile laying means tile and sand bed. One mason and one helper can do 15 square meter. That is 100 mm thick. Similarly, 16 mm thick, 20 square meter can do. Like this, we need to arrive the rates. Then curbstone per meter. HDP liner 1 or 2 mm thickness. This is by manual, this is by machine. That's why these productivities are different. Then geotextiles, then gravel layer, dune sand layer, scaffolding staging, erection and removal. For scaffolding fitters and for helpers can do 20 cubic meter in a day. Then manhole cover, toilet fixtures, signboards, kitchen sink, demolition works concrete by machine, demolition works concrete by manual with jackhammers. What are the productivity? How many idle manpower is required? How much quantity they can do? Then chipping of concrete surface manual. Then demolition works asphalt by machine, asphalt by manual, asphalt by manual. This based on the removal of existing interlocking tile, dismantling works steel, steel grating works demolition, fencing demolition, and block masonry demolition, removal of doors, removal and repair of the deteriorated existing concrete by jet application, pipes demolition, existing Pasco pavers means interlocking tile pavers removal and refixing of the existing trench covers, removal of sand from the existing trench, erection of the earthing junction, earthing copper conductor, removal of existing fireproofing, the cast iron cover installation, concrete block slope finishing, drilling of holes in concrete block in concrete to fix anchors 300 mm deep, 500 mm deep, 750 mm deep, stone pitching, making of cutouts in existing substation buildings, instant road repair works like fast rock, ET slurry sickle type like that material. So like this we want to uh, consider the productivities and arrive the unit rates for different activities based on the overall productive factor. I think with this all the manpower productivities are completed. I think hope it will be useful for everybody. Thank you very much.